Last time we came up with a big to-do list, and it's long overdue to get started on it. I disassembled the whole interior and did a full detail, but I actually lost the footage somehow, so we'll have to get through it another time. The next step was addressing some of the suspension components since this car has been sitting for over a decade. I've gone over disassembling the MR2 suspension multiple times, so this is more of a raw look into the process and frustration that goes into dealing with rust.
Oh, is the fucking handbrake on?
Yeah.
That's a little easier. Jesus, Frank. I know what the smart move is, and I'm not doing it. Stupid son of a bitch. Shit.
You're doing good, just let her rip.
Huh. Oh, this sucks, huh?
I don't want anybody stepping on my crank.
Yep. Oh, nice.
445?
I didn't think it was capable.
Damn.
That's the entire breakaway force of this thing.
It spurts.
Yeah, very nice. Retard.
Holy fuck. Jesus, Rick. That is crazy. 3 limbs. Easy. Fuck, fell off. Fucking broke. Son of a bitch. It ain't working.
Yep. Fucking nice.
That moved. Oh, nice. I wouldn't have even tried this if you didn't have to press. Dude, the easiest thing in the world. The fuck? Outside one of our cars to film the car.
Squeeze it straight on. It's dripping. It's dripping. Oh yeah, that's good work. Look at that, it's smoking. Good.
So quick with my hands.
Fuck. That's not good. That is not a good thing. Are you mad at me?
No, I come to expect it. On that note, that's a majority of the rear disassembly finished. Next time, we'll actually try to start improving things, but don't worry, it'll get a lot worse. Thanks for watching.